Preeti Kesri and I am second year BMS student of Yerla Medical College, which is in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. And I would like to discuss about Varsha Ritucharya. As we all know that rainy season is going to come and everybody is excited. But due to COVID-19 outbreak, entire mankind is suffering. So we have to take certain measures about it. In Ayurveda, Ritucharya is the term for dietary and daily lifestyle regimen. Varsha Ritu brings about various changes not only in environment but also in our body. Our body is more susceptible to health issues during this season because our digestive power reduces in this season. Various kind of diseases like indigestion, viral diseases, malaise are affected in this season. So this video is about lifestyle modification needed to preserve our body from various diseases in Varsha Ritu. Diet during rainy season. Consume light and fresh food prepared from whole grains of barley, wheat and rice. Include cow's ghee, green gram in daily diet. Use sour and salty soup of vegetables. Use spices such as pepper, ginger, asafoetida, garlic, jeera powder, coriander, turmeric, enhancing your digestive capacity, and this will improve your immunity too. Sour, salty and oily diet is preferred in this season. To ensure removal of germs, drink only boiled water and honey can be added. Eat only warm foods. Consumptions of leafy vegetables need to be avoided. Avoidance of curd, red meat and any food stuff that take longer time to digest is good during the monsoon. You can drink buttermilk instead of curd. Alcoholic beverages has to be avoided in this season, but if you want, you can add water to it. Lifestyle in Varsha Ritu. Avoiding sleep in daytime is good as it hampers digestion and slow down our metabolism rate. Fasting is specially recommended in monsoon. It helps to improve your digestive fire too. Overexertion and overexposure to sun, especially in afternoon, has to be avoided. Keep the surrounding dry and clean and not to allow water to get accumulated around you. Keep your body warm to protect any attack from viruses. Avoid walking in dirty water. Feet are required to be kept dry. Avoid getting wet in the rainy season. However, if it happens, change it to dry clothes as soon as possible. Use of fumigated disinfectant are recommended in this season. Use of perfume is advocated. Application of oil throughout the body is applicable. In Panchakarma, one can undergo enema for keeping healthy throughout the year. By following all this guideline, I am definitely sure that you will be healthy and enjoy this monsoon without fearing its adverse effect. If you really liked my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.